फिक्की फेम्स 2020 को वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से संबोधित करते हुए सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर ने कहा है कि मीडिया और औद्योगिक जगत में वैश्विक स्तर पर विकास की काफी संभावनाएं हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि कोविड ने हमें एक अवसर दिया है कि हम नए सिरे से सोचें कि कैसे कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं। सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री ने कहा कि सरकार द्वारा इस सेक्टर को कई तरह से मदद करने का फैसला भी लिया गया है।
Gathering may be virtual, but partnership emanating from it can be real. And this is very good opportunity. Today, more than 1,000 delegates have joined the FICCI Friends. We also are conducting our virtual public meetings, workers meeting. So at no one place, people are more than 100, but all sit separately, see us or our leaders on LED or on their phone, and they can join in. And we have carried out successful virtual rallies consisting of 100,000 workers joining the rally. So I think the COVID has given us an opportunity in a way to think afresh of the way we communicate. Because now we are doing more programs, because each program gets completed in 60 or 90 minutes. The first among these is the government is coming up with the standard operating procedure for shooting films in India in the light of pandemic. Further, to accelerate the restart of filmmaking that had come to a standstill as a result of COVID, is also coming up with the incentives of production in all sectors, including TV serials, filmmaking, co-production, animation, gaming. We'll be announcing these measures shortly. Besides, you would be pleased to know that the Film Facilitation Office, more than 80 foreign film producers have taken advantage of this facility. They got single window clearance for shooting of their films in India. Our share in the global market is small, but can grow phenomenally. Given India's cost advantage of 40 to 60% for producing the same quality of content as advanced countries, we can achieve stupendous result if we work together. There is need for more entrepreneurs, founders and leaders in the media and entertainment sector to steer the industry forward. We need more innovation, origination and ownership. And the Government of India stands shoulder to shoulder with the industry in achieving all this. So, all the best. I am very sure today's deliberations will definitely bring up many good new ideas. And whatever good ideas you come with, you can share with me anytime, and we will be there with you for making a progress for the country. Thank you and all the best.